literally feel like my brain just like shook forward.
Dude, me too. I've actually never done launch control.
For real?
Yeah, should I try it?
If you feel comfortable, yeah.
Not really, but let's do it. Oh, here we go. All right, ready?
Uh-oh, let's go. Okay. Oh, I didn't even notice that was Danny. Holy. Damn.
Dude, that was my
that was fast.
First time ever doing that. Oh my god. That blew my mind. I had a Tesla Model S Plaid, and it did not scare me like that.
Really? Oh, we're in Mexico, by the way.
Yes. Cancun. If you couldn't tell.
Yeah, that was fast. I literally feel like my brain just like shook forward.
Dude, me too. All right, ready?
Yo, you feel it. You feel how it picks up. I feel like the car is lifting.
Dude, that's insane. This is like my first like real drive reaction video. I've never driven it like this.
Alright, he made up for last time. Oh my gosh. That thing's fast.
Dude, we did launch control for the first
Are you
time.
guys from here?
We did what?
Are you guys from here?
No,
Are you guys like from...
America.
You're from where?
America.
Yeah, we're from America. We're in Mexico right now, right?
This is Mexico.
How's the launch control?
Insane.
What?
Wait, I've never been to the launch control. Can we do it?
Yeah, I've never done it either.
Oh, it's your first time. Oh, no
Yeah,
wonder
yeah.
it took so long. Like,
Yeah, I didn't know how to do it.
Wait, I want to be in the launch control.
Yo, that actually felt so crazy. Like, holy crap. We did the launch control for the first time. I think that is the first time that I've been inside of McLaren while doing launch control. So that was kind of crazy. I felt like my brain just like moved forward.
Woo, here we go.
Ready?
Oh my god. Dude, that third gear is scary, bro. Makes my body like just tingle. Like I'm not even, I don't know. That takes corners good.
Dude, the cornering's insane.
Wow. Dude, that was crazy.
Dude, it's insane, right?
That was, you went up to 4 gears or?
I don't even know. I was just trying to stay straight.
You're just trying to make us
Dude,
live.
Well, did you feel like the full first gear we were spinning?
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god.
That thing is freaking sick.